Hello guys, my name is David and welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today a review of the camera. This is dashcam Wolfbox G900 Pro. If you guys are interested, let's have a look. Wolfbox G900 Pro. This is the dashcam with the front and rear view. Also we can use it as a rear view camera, so I will unbox it and see what is inside, what we're getting. So basically we mounted it on our mirror in the car. This is very clever design. So the camera is of course on here, so we mounted it on the car mirror and we can see front view and also rear view with the other camera. The screen is pretty big and like I said, we can choose the view option. What is inside the box? We're getting main unit. We also getting pry bar lever for door seals or panels, so we can unclip them and fit the wire through. A rear view camera with the long cable. There is a camera. Here's a sticker also, so we can use the sticker like double tape actually, or we can use the bracket and our screws in here, so we can use the screws to mount the camera to the back door or bumper, wherever you want to, or we can just use a double tape. And here's long cable also with the signal for reverse light, so we can attach it into the reverse cable and get a signal, and then the main unit will show us the rear view of the camera. Also a power supply. There is also long cable for a cigarette lighter, so you don't need to worry about the cables. Rubber bands to secure the main unit. GPS unit as well, and different types of rubber bands and few plastic clips if we want to attach the wire on the windscreen somewhere. There is a sticker also as well, another sticker, of course instructions. So I will take this unit and I will show you guys how you can mount it into your car and what the results of the views you can get it through this camera. So I will go and install it for you. Okay, now I would like go ahead with the installation of the camera. What I would like to tell you, the set has everything what you need for installation, so you don't need to worry about it. Even the SD card is supplied. Also you can see that the front view camera has a movement, so you can adjust it how you like. If you have a long van or motorhome, you can use extension for a rear view camera, this additional pack. Or if you want to keep a camera on 24 hours, then you can buy another kit with the power supply, and you can connect direct into the fuse box. So it's two separate kits if you need them, but this is the main kit and I think it's enough for a standard car. The camera device is attached into the main mirror, and now you can see that you have even mirror effect on the screen when it's turned off. These rubbers are attached in two sizes, so you can choose them on depends how big is and thick is your mirror. Now I will go ahead with the wires. I will attach them temporary just to show you how it works, but of course the wires has to be high on here and in the pillar, so I will go ahead and show you how to do it. So this is how the camera works. You can set up front view camera, rear view camera. Also you can set up for a rear view. Of course you can adjust it up and down, and for a front view you can clearly see that the colors and view is so bright and nice. And also, like I said before, you can switch off and use the camera screen as a mirror, so you can see in the mirror the view of the rear glass, yeah, rear window. So I think works pretty well. Of course the sunset is now here on the left hand side, so it's a wee bit shiny, but colors are nice. So this is the front view camera and rear view camera during the run. You can clearly see the speed, the time, date. Of course the wires hanging down because I never put them properly, but you need to put them properly to keep it right. The cars and number plates are easy to see. So basically I think it's a really good camera with the nice colors and view. Easy to install, easy to adjust. I think guys, if you are happy, you should just try and see. Wolfbox G900 Pro. That's it. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.